Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a really cool 7x14 that we have in stock. This is a Cargo Craft 2019 7x14 in a silver blackout, loaded up full of goodies. This one does have the diamond plate rock guard along the bottom and the V-nose guard, which is nice there. Triple tube tongue on this unit as well. This one's stock number 14837. Side door does have the double lock protection with the RV lock and cam bar. Two 3,500-pound axles with brakes on all fours, plus aluminum wheels, and then with that Blackout package, you guys can see you've got all the black trim, black locks, black diamond plate fenders. Now this one is insulated with power, so we do have an exterior GFI outlet located right there, and of course you've got windows, couple of exterior LED party lights as well, so you guys will have good light off the side of this trailer. This is a perfect trailer if you guys want to use this dual purpose to haul and camp in. Now you also have stabilizer jacks underneath the rear, and then this one has barn doors, which is a cool feature. You also have two overhead LED load lights here off the back, and then let's open up these barn doors and take a peek. Again, insulated walls and ceiling with this unit, and then we also have a white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. Now these barn doors are cool because you can fold them all the way back, and they also have the ability to pin back, so you don't have to worry about them slamming shut on you. Nudo floor with Drymax. We love the Nudo floor. It's a great performing floor. Underneath has the Drymax product that does not absorb the water or moisture, and that's what's on the underneath side of the trailer as well. So a nice upgrade there from your standard wood floor. You do have 4 D-rings in the floor as well, and E-track in the walls. So this is an awesome trailer. Again, if you guys want to build a bunk here in the rear and do some living quarters or something, some kitchen space up front, it's a good multi-use dual purpose trailer. 2 of the 18x44 slider windows with screens right there. Overhead, we've got 2 4-foot LEDs plus your AC unit with a heat strip, and then you've got 3 puck lights right here. Now this one's set up like our off-roads in that it does have a battery in it. That battery is going to run your puck lights, it's also going to run your spotlights, and it's also going to run your party lights, so you guys can have light immediately without having to be plugged into a vehicle or a power source. Now you've got a 30-amp service right there. Plug that into your generator, and that's what's going to power up your AC unit with the heat strip, as well as these overhead 4-foot LEDs. So that's how that functions. It's also going to power up your interior outlets. Looks like there's 4 of those in here, so plenty of room to plug stuff in and do your thing. And this trailer measures 14 feet total length from the tip of the V to the back here of the barn doors. And again, insulated walls, insulated ceiling, power, and AC. So here it is. We've got a great price on this unit at $10,277, and we have this on sale through the end of the month for $300 off with our Black Friday sale. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, give us a call. We would love to earn your business. 303-688-8485, or check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com.